Today we are going to study about an activity where we are going to test the presence of starch in the food. So here let us start with our activity. So here you see a dilute solution of iodine. Now how do you make the dilute solution of iodine? First we will take a test tube. Okay, then in that we take some amount of water, and to that we add a dilute or iodine solution. So iodine solution is ready. Dilute iodine solution or tincture of iodine is ready. Now we are going to test it with the food items which contain starch. So now we start with the experiment. We have taken a bowl with potato. To this peeled potato, I am adding some drops of iodine. So let us see what happens. Here we see the potato changing into blue black. So this color change, okay, this color change of potato indicates that potato contains starch. So let us experiment this with some more food items. So here we have a test. So let us see here. I have a drop down where I have different food items. Now potato we have seen. So let us see with the cucumber. Now we have cucumber in a test tube. Then we add iodine solution. So cucumber does not contain significant amount of starch, so no blue black color. So let us observe with boiled rice. Now we have boiled rice in the test tube. I added iodine solution. So here we see change of color, that is blue black. This indicates that starch is present. So the test of starch is positive. Now let us check with butter. Now we have butter in the test tube. I add iodine and it does not show change of color into blue black. So here we can say there is no significant amount of starch. Did you understand? Did you like the activity here? Then subscribe our channel, like the video and share it with your friend. Till then, take care. Bye.